Loki?
Hey, little guy. Hey, little guy. How are you doing? You like that? Hi.
Is Callie getting a massage?
Yeah. Hi.
Oh.
Hey. He likes her. What are you doing, little baby? You're like Dopey.
Whoa. How do you say what's your name? I can't remember.
What are you doing? He's so soft.
Yamo? Mi amo?
Te amo.
Te amo? No,
Te
that's
amo.
I love you. That's I love you.
Taylor. Como se dice?
Me amo?
Tu hombre.
Me amo?
Nope, that's wrong.
Te amo.
Amo?
No, that's to love.
Name.
What's name?
Me amo. I thought it
No,
was
that's
me amo.
love.
No, that's te amo.
No.
¿Cómo se llama él o
¿Cómo
se llama?
¿Cómo se amo?
Ah.
Oh, te amo. ¿Cómo se
¿Cómo se amo?
Loki.
¿Quién?
You.
Ella, sí. ¿Cómo se llama usted?
Ruth.
Ruth?
En español se dice ¿cómo se llama usted?
Usted?
Sí, usted.
For name?
Sí.
Como te amo? Usted.
No, ¿cómo se llama
¿Cómo
usted?
se llama?
¿Cómo se llama usted?
Correcto,
Usted.
sí.
You.
Yo me llamo Marcelo.
Marcelo.
¿Cómo se llama?
Marcelo.
Marcelo?
Jaime.
What?
That's me, Jaime.
Jaime.
Yeah.
Usted es Jaime.
Mhm.
Oh.
Boy. Boy name. They're probably like, why did she name him a boy name?
Jaime.
Well, hey, little guy. He likes the Coke.
Oh. I'm surprised Shane
playful.
didn't stay longer to see it. It's so cute.
Hi,
My
buddy.
finger?
Hi, buddy.
Do you remember me?
Hi. What are you doing?
His tail is all wet. It's got Coke all over
What are
it.
you doing? Uh-oh.
Oh.
He's getting crazy. He's all hyper now. My phone's all wet.
Ow.
Ow.
Esta es la otra. Lola. Allá.
Ahí está.
¿En casa?
Lola.
Oh.
Allá.
Hi, little monkey boy. Hi, little monkey boy. I like it when you hold my finger. That's my phone. You can't have that. That's a phone.
¿En casa?
Casa. Sí.
Ooh, it's pretty. Bonita.
How do you say night?
Only. Night? Noche? I don't know. That could be wrong.
Anoche?
No, that was wrong.
Anoche.
At night?
At
What
night?
is...
Night.
Why are you asking at night?
Because I was wondering if it stays here all day.
He's crazy. What are you doing?
Oh, it's tongue.
How long do we stay here till 2? Oh,
Yeah.
It's only an hour longer.
Oh.
Are you ready?
Yeah, we can go.
Okay.